It's December 6th. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. Yeah.
Wait, how does this work? So are you posting one? You posted a new one right now?
Yeah, I just posted one.
So
I posted yesterday's vlog.
So it's always a day behind.
Yeah. Anyways, I am, if you guys don't know, I left Big Bear. I explained why in the last video, but I'm with Daniela. I live with her. She just got home. I just uploaded my Vlogmas video, and it's today. I don't know what's happening, but we'll figure it out.
We're gonna get a Christmas tree.
This is the outfit for the day. I'm wearing these flare jeans from Kiss the Rainbow shop. My shoes are Docs, and then the shirt is also from Amazon. So I really like this outfit. Super cute. I'm doing a video on like Amazon clothes and stuff like that, and then I also did a Kiss the Rainbow shop haul. So I'm excited for you guys to see that. Anyways, let's go.
Can I get a grande caramel brulee latte ice? And can I also get a sausage sandwich with no cheese?
Yeah, sausage cheddar with no cheddar.
Yeah.
And then can I also get a sausage and cheddar, but with the cheddar? And then can I get a venti iced vanilla oat milk latte with light ice, please?
With light ice?
Yeah.
Cheers.
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 Cheers. Oh, I've been loving iced vanilla oat milk lattes lately.
Thank you.
They just go down so smoothly.
The plug.
He said the plug. Ooh.
Is it the Dior?
He got the purple, whatever, something
Jordan.
This fucking sausage and cheddar and egg is the best one I've ever had from Starbucks. Usually they're good, but this one is like good.
Don't honk at me. I have a fucking blinker on and you should have going fast. I think I have anger issues.
This sounds so good. Hi, alright, so we're at the Christmas tree farm right now. This is my first time ever at a Christmas tree farm. Daniela makes me do some wholesome ass shit, but like it's nice.
Why are you saying Christmas tree farm? It's just a Christmas tree place.
Anyway, I think the last time I built a Christmas tree, I was maybe like 8 years old, 7 years old. But other than that, I haven't done that since. I don't know.
A long time ago.
Yeah, I don't really celebrate Christmas. I did for the first time with my family this year because I was gonna be in LA, so I made sure it happened because we never do it. But that's a vlog coming out later. But this is gonna be weird. I don't do holiday stuff, but her mom is gonna be here and her grandma's gonna be here. So basically, I'm gonna be wholesome. Wow, your phone camera is so good for some reason. It makes me look good. Hi! We're FaceTiming Tila right now. She texted, she said, I miss you. Her birthday's in 2 days. Actually, while you guys are watching this,
Sagittarius queen.
literally, yeah, Sagittarius. While you guys are watching this, yes, we have
That
birthdays.
makes a lot of sense.
Right?
Really does.
While you guys are watching this, I think it's gonna be Tila's birthday. So everyone go say hi to Tila. We just finished talking with Tila, but now we're gonna get a Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Look at my mask. It's the one Adeline got me. Thank you, Adeline. I look so stupid, but I love it. I miss my dog. I need to go pick him up. I got him like a rover because I didn't want to like just give him to somebody and then that be their responsibility. Like I want him to be taken out on walk and live his best life. So my rover told me he took him out on a beach walk and they've been playing around with him and he loves doing stuff like that. So I don't feel like weird about it because you know sometimes you just miss your dog and you wonder if they're like worried, but no, Sterling literally loves new people. So, and I just love that he's being walked and stuff way more because like I'm paying them to. Yo, why is it sunny? Like where's the snow? This doesn't feel right. Let me fly back to Canada real quick. Wow, this is so weird going Christmas tree shopping with no snow on the ground. Also just Christmas tree shopping in general. I ain't never done this with my family.
So many trees are gone and it's like December 6th.
It's like this like barely taller than you. I like how quirky this one. Oh, they're all are. Never mind.
She said this would have personality. Look how tall those are. That's what I'm getting in my new house. That's really weird. I don't like the body shape of it. I mean, all bodies are beautiful.
Yeah, excuse me, don't body shame these trees. Jeez.
I'm not body shaming the trees. I'm just saying it's a little weird.
No, all trees are beautiful, guys. All trees are beautiful.
It's missing hair.
Okay, so some people start balding earlier than others. Jeez.
That was kind of cute. Should we get a little? Ooh, what about this one?
I like how even this one is at the top.
Yeah, these
I feel like we need a taller one. I feel like this is a good size.
This one kind of looks good.
No, look at down there. No, if they're
Oh yeah. This is better.
But this one's so weird right there.
Okay, now I see why people get fake trees. No, but it doesn't have like body to it. It needs to be like big.
Oh, she says she likes curvy trees.
Yada 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 yada.
Why does she even make it a stallion like that?
All right, let's get this one.
I like it.
All right, let's go find the cute boy that sells trees.
Yeah, the person she said when we parked here, she said, "Why is he kind of cute?"
We're getting a tree.
I think we like this one.
Okay. This one, do you want me to take it around, spin it around?
Yeah.
Oh, we're getting a show. A little
Putting on a
fashion
show for us.
Oh, see from the back. Ooh, the back's a little more
She's
full.
thick from behind. Yeah, this one's good. I like this one. Yeah, it's perfect. Yay, we got a tree, guys. That was so fast.
That was a lot faster than I thought. Wow, she took my Christmas tree virginity. Yeah, how do you celebrate Christmas when it's sunny like this? Like, how do you feel like it's Christmas when there's no snow on the ground?
I don't know, you really don't.
Are you not from around here?
No, I'm from Canada.
She's Canadian.
So you want to stand, no netting?
Oh no, we can get netting on it.
You want netting?
Wait, can you guys wrap it on top of the car?
Yeah.
Oh my god, they're doing the most.
Thank
Thank you.
Wow, he's just lifting it.
He said, I don't need to go to the gym.
Look, we found mini trees. So cute.
I just spilled tree water all over me. That was crazy. Some people in Canada, we just go out to the backyard and we just cut one down. I'm being so serious, guys. Like if you live in the country, you just go to your backyard and cut one down. This is so weird.
Whoa, he's putting in the work.
The hand-eye coordination for me.
Is that our tree? Yeah. Ah, it's our tree.
Yeah, that's straight.
That's good?
Wait, what does this do?
No, back a little bit. That's straight.
Okay.
I feel like I'm in a Hallmark movie.
Whoa.
I think when they do the job interviews, the requirement is to be attractive.
I know. I saw the boy walk past and I was like, Maya's gonna say something. Whoa, they're literally spray painting the tree white. I didn't know this is how it worked.
Really?
No, bro. I've never
It's
done
not
this.
like spray paint. I don't know what that is. It's like, I don't know, it's like kind of thick.
Just like you, Danny. Just like you.
It's the tree.
Whoa, this is interesting.
I feel like a real person. I don't know.
You feel like a real person?
Yeah.
Because he's tying it up. Like I'm like one of those people.
That gets a real
I'm gonna
Christmas
drive
tree?
around with a Christmas tree in my car.
This is gonna be so cute. Your hair, by the way. I said, I like your hair, by the way.
He's so cute.
Right? I should go back and ask for his number.
Do it. Ask for his Instagram.
No.
$10. Do it. Do it.
No.
Do it.
No.
Can I run up to him and ask for his Instagram to say it's for you?
Yeah, go do it then.
Oh my god, what if he says no?
Just go do it.
Okay, fine. Hey! I'm so sorry, this is kind of weird, but my friend thinks you're cute. Can she get your Instagram?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your Instagram? I don't have my phone, fuck. Remember that, okay? Thank you.
Yeah, she just got this guy's Instagram. Let's creep it. He was cute though.
Okay,
he was cute. He was like, how long are you guys out here for? He's a cutie. Wait, does he make music? He makes music. Who's DU? His girlfriend?
Maybe?
So we just got to a furniture store. Daniela's fucking watching my YouTube video right in front of me. Anyways, we got to a furniture store. If you guys don't know, Daniela's buying a house and she's gonna be flipping it. So we're gonna be looking at kitchen remodels and stuff like that just so she can get an idea of what she wants. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
She's been talking about buying a house for so freaking long now, and we're both gonna be buying a house this year.
I know, it's crazy.
Like I'm literally in the process right now. I know I haven't.
talking about like how... Sorry, what?
No, go.
No, go.
No,
No, we were talking about how like, I don't know, we feel like we're like so young when we're doing all this shit. Like,
yeah, I kind of forget how young I am. I haven't told you guys yet, but I am buying a house because I need to start renting places. But you guys are gonna come on that journey with me. I hope you guys enjoy those. I know you guys are so sick of moving vlogs, but it's gonna be happening.
Here we got number 1,
Okay.
and then number 2,
Okay.
number 3,
Okay.
and then number 4.
Which one do you like, Danny? Hold on, we're gonna mute it. I like this one or this one.
What does that say?
2020.
I like that one.
2020?
Yeah.
Okay, but that one's cute though.
That one's like, you know, creative and like fun.
I want to hear what
Can we see the front of the 2021?
this is the front.
Oh, this is a tough choice. You know, I'm gonna go with my gut. The second one is first, the third one is second, but only because I would have put 2020 first if it had more decorations.
I put 2020 first. I think that's the best behind it.
All right, so who's is whose? Who's is whose?
This is Brianna's, this one's Adela's, this is Mia's, and this one's Tiffany's.
Oh, Tiffany's is aesthetic. Low key 2020. Adeline just called us to rate her gingerbread competition. So if you guys want to see the girls' vlogs, I'll link them down below. They just did that. Danielle and I are at Adeline's apartment right now. Whoa, what if I had short hair like this? Okay, mom.
That's what you had like last year.
I know, I hate that. Why did I do that to myself? We're gonna head into Adeline's apartment to grab the rest of my stuff, and then we're gonna pick up little Sterwin.
Where is he?
He's at a Rover right now. I'm supposed to pick him up tomorrow, but I miss him.
What's
so
a Rover?
It's like a dog babysitter. Let's go. Hi, Blue. Hi, Blue Blue. This is all my stuff in that corner. Hi, Blue. I missed you. All right, we picked up Sterling. He's so freaking cute. Sterling. Say hi. Okay, well, anyways, I ordered a sandwich from Panera. So I'm gonna get that, and then when we get home, we're gonna set up the Christmas tree. Honestly, we've been driving for like 2 hours with this tree on the like top of the car. Wait, is it still there? Oh my god, I thought it was gone. Hopefully, it's not like shaped weirdly, you know? But I'm gonna put my mask on, and we're gonna head inside Panera. The sky is so pretty. It's not there.
How do we take it down? Wait, walk this way.
You want me to help?
No, it's okay. I think we got it. What the fuck? Where am I going?
Okay, this way. In the house.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh wow! Look how pretty! Wow!
I want to make sure my dog didn't run away.
Oh my god, Sterling.
Hi, Sterling. Go inside. Let's go, guys. I feel like you're filming a reality TV show right now. so pretty. I've never had a real Christmas tree. It looks kind of lopsided.
It looks fine. No one can tell.
Wow. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. We're so lame.
Now we just need to go get stuff for it.
We unpacked all the ornaments. Now we have to get the lights for it, and we'll be Gucci. Putting the first ornament on.
Oh shit, I can't get it on. Boom. I feel like they're heavy for the tree. They're like super big.
Why do people just fucking have trees in their house? You ever think of the concept? That's so weird.
No, it is a
Like
little
every
weird.
single year, why do people fucking set up a tree in their house? That's weird. Do people in like other countries do this? Not countries, but other continents, you know what I mean? Like, is this a tradition for everybody? I'm so confused. Let me know, because you know, it's not the same everywhere. I look like a crazy dog lady. This is what she does every time she gets to Target. She films this little intro where she sets her camera down and then walks away from it, and then she films it going in. There are absolutely no lights here. There are no lights at Target. What? Target looks like it got robbed. What is wrong with people? I'm so confused on why. All the toilet paper is gone again. This is all toilet paper. Home Depot is the shit.
Ooh!
They're so cute. I like these.
It's dirty. It's a dirty hose.
That took us like 2 minutes. All right, so we're back, and now we're gonna attempt to put lights on the street.
Here we go. Oh wow, we did not need 4 of these. I thought they were gonna be like really tiny. Oh, wait, we should start with this side.
My bad. Sorry, I dropped you.
Wrap it around the tree.
Watch these lights and how it work.
Is it pretty? Oh, it's cute. We need some on this side. It's like bare.
Wow. Okay, let's get more lights. Another one. Awesome. All right, so now we're gonna do the ornaments.
We don't have a lot. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh god. Jesus Christ.
Ornaments. I feel like I'm filming my Vlogmas intro all over again. This is what the Christmas tree looks like. We did gold. We didn't have to buy anything except for the lights. Wait, we need to put this thing on it.
It looks better in this room.
Move it.
Oh, this. Why is it heavy? What the fuck? How did you do that?
Hey, yeah. Woo! We just did the Christmas tree. All right, so family shout out of the day and comment of the day goes to, let's see. This goes to maiphammy edits. So freaking cute. Thank you to maiphammy.edits with 2 Z's. She been making a lot of edits lately. Thank you. And comment of the day goes to wait, why can't I say dot? cat.garcia.maurilo. I put on my caption as who wants to go ice skating. She said me, since my boyfriend want to act up and not respond to my texts. Girlie, let's go ice skating. But yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I'll be posting daily vlogs like I do every single day. So make sure to subscribe if you guys want to be a part of that, and comment something down below because I read every single one of the comments. If you guys want to be a shout out of the day, make sure to follow my Instagram. It's @maiphammy, and until next time.